Are you looking for the best ways to make money online? Well, I discovered a blueprint and it shows you step by step how to earn $900 or more in a day, selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 2 hours around your schedule, doing simple things like posting videos to social media, and you earn 100% profit. Plus, the business is fully automated, so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. And we also have a community of over 50,000 people for ongoing training and support. So, everything you need to be successful. This is an all-in-one business in a box. You just got to get started, set up your business, plug into the community, and start promoting your business. Okay, so I'm going to show you how everything works, but let's talk about basically the two ways to make money. Okay, so if you're just like a normal person, right, you weren't born into royalty or anything, then there's basically two ways to make money. Okay, which the first way is to be an employee, which means you're working a job, which means you're exchanging your time for money and you're building other people's businesses and you're making other people rich. Okay. And what most people do if they have an employee mindset, if they want to make more money as an employee, then they'll go back to college so they can learn some skills so they can get a better, higher paying job. Or they'll work like 2 to 3 jobs. And that means they're exchanging even more time for money. They'll do like Uber, DoorDash, and everything like that, but then you got to use your own car. People are paying money just to go to their jobs. In America, people spend on average like $300 to $500 a month just on transportation costs like gas, just to go to their jobs. So if you're doing Uber or DoorDash or something for some extra money, well, that you have to use your own car, so you're paying to go to your job still. Okay. So that's a job, right? Now, the other way to make money, which is like objectively speaking, is the better way to make money, is to be an entrepreneur, which means you're building your own business or businesses. You can work whenever you want to work. You don't have to answer to a boss. Okay. You can make as much money as you want. And you have automated systems in place so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. Let's think of some entrepreneurs, like any business owners, right? Let's look at Jeff Bezos from Amazon. He makes $150 million a day, and his business is fully automated. Okay, like every CEO out there, their business is fully automated. Okay, so if you're working a job, that means you're part of someone's automated business, right? I know, it hurts. I know it stings for some people to realize this, but it's a fact. Okay. So if you're overworked and you're underpaid, you're basically like in the Matrix, the movie The Matrix, right? It's not the place to be. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to get out of the Matrix by following a blueprint, right? If you want to get out of the Matrix. Not everyone wants to get out, right? Some people are they're happy. Okay. If you're happy doing whatever you're doing, just continue on. Okay. But this is how it works. Okay. This is how an online business works, and this is how this business works too. But this like pretty much goes for any online business. Super simple. Three basic steps. Okay. Step number one, you need a product, right? If you're gonna be a business owner, see business 101, how do businesses make money? Selling products, opportunities, or services. Okay. So either you're working for somebody that's selling something or you're selling something yourself. Okay. So we can't get it like buying and selling is just that's how we make money in human society through buying and selling, right? So you need a product. You want to promote something that's in high demand. That means something that is top selling. Okay. Like Apple phones. So many people sell Apple phones because they are in high demand. Okay. So we give you four different digital products that are inside of the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. So these are high demand, top selling products. So which means you don't have to create a thing. We give you four different digital products so you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. And we earn 100% profit because we have master resale rights with these products. Okay. Master resale rights means you buy a product, a digital product one time, and then you can resell it. You have the resale rights. You can resell it over and over again, and you earn 100% profit with it. Most businesses, they only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. We earn 100% profit. Okay, step number two, you got to automate your business. Now you might be thinking, I don't have any tech skills. I don't have any experience. You don't need experience. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following to build an online business. Okay. So you got to automate your business. We give you a pre-built system. You can set it up in like a day. Maybe it just depends on how busy or focused you are. It took me a few hours to set up. So you can set it up in like 1 to 2 days or something. Right? So what happens is people go to your link and you're building your email list. I'm going to show you what this looks like in a second. And once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. Okay. There's videos that are doing the selling for you. There's emails that are following up with people for you on autopilot. This is how you make money without ever having to talk to anybody. Total strangers will buy from you and you don't even have to talk to anybody. The only time I ever communicate with people is if they reply to my content or they're if I'm going live and they're talking to me on my lives or through emails. Like you don't have to get on the phone with people, you don't have to DM people, okay? So people are going through your sales funnel and they can buy from you at any time. This is how you make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. Okay. Step number three, you need a way for people to discover your business. It's called marketing, right? So we teach you how to market. Like most people, they don't make money online because they don't know how to market. So basically, we have a 2 hour workday. Okay. So we teach you how, like, there's four ways to promote any business, more or less: paid ads, free strategies, and warm outreach and cold outreach. Okay. So we're teaching you the free strategies. So you just need about 2 hours a day, Wi-Fi, and your phone, okay? Or computer, you can do both. So create three pieces of content a day. You post it to social media. You can also go live and you can also post free ads. So three pieces of content a day takes about 30 minutes. You can go live for 30 minutes to an hour. Posting free ads, we recommend doing that for about 30 minutes. That's just copying and pasting free ads on high traffic websites. We have training for all of this. So by creating content, by going live and by posting free ads, what you're doing is you're driving traffic to your link. Okay, that's all we're doing is driving traffic to that link, building that email list, and once people are inside of our automations, they can buy from us at any time. And the benefit of creating content and going live is you can also grow your social media channels. So over time, social media will pay you when you have enough followers and subscribers and enough people are watching your stuff. Okay, so that's it. That's the process. That's how you build an online business like this, or pretty much any online business. But that's what we do. And let's say you post a piece of content, someone watches that content, they like what they see, they go to your link, they go inside, they purchase a product, they purchase your $900 product, then cha-ching, you just made $900. Okay. That's how it works. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Okay. And you can go to my link, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the bio. You can go there, put in your best email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. You can unsubscribe at any time. You can reply to my my emails at any time, and you can also get started at any time. Okay. So if you want to get started, there's a link in the bio. And if you're new here, by the way, my name's Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk for 10 years. That's why I'm known as a seven-figure monk. And now I just help everyday people hit seven figures online with digital marketing. So if you're watching the replay, let me know where you're watching from. Okay, drop it in the comments. Now, I'm going to show you how this whole system works, what you have to do to set it up. And, that's it. Just, it's good to see stuff. I'm going to show you inside of our community too. I'll share some wins inside of our community so you can see how people are making money with this business. Okay, this business in a box. That's what you want. You want a business in a box because why would you want to try to start everything from scratch? Why would you want to try to create your own products, your own website, everything? It takes a lot of time or money or both. Okay. Now this is a business in a box. Doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of money. You just gotta get started, take action, be coachable, and be consistent. Okay. So look here. This is oh, what is this? What is this? Yeah, maybe I should load that up. Let me load that. Let me load up the funnel. Okay. So here's like a capture page, right? This is called a capture page. So this is what the automated business looks like, okay? So when you get started, you get to use the same system. Now your system is going to look a little bit different because, I put my own pictures here. I branded this to me. So you're going to have a little bit different pages, but it's going to look something like this more or less. Okay. So you're going to have a capture page and people are going to go here. They go to your link. They're going to go here. They're going to put their email in. So it's called a landing page or a capture page, sometimes a squeeze page. Okay, because you're capturing people's emails. So once they put their email in, they're part of your automations and you're building your email list, which means you can communicate with them at any time. Okay. And then after they put in their email, they go to this thank you page. They watch a video. The video is doing the selling. There's another video we send them the emails. It's doing the selling and it's answering like 99% of their questions, your leads, your prospects question. A lead is just a potential customer that you can communicate with through your emails. Okay. So they're going to watch this video, and if they have a question, they'll reply to your emails, right? You never have to get on the phone with people. If someone asks you to get on the phone, say nope. You can communicate with me through email. Just you got to put your boundaries in place. Okay. Tell people no calls, no DMs. If you want to communicate with me through my emails because that's enough. I mean, this business is so straightforward. Honestly, anybody could do this business. It's very simple. Like once you get, like, if you're brand new, then maybe it might seem overwhelming. But once you actually get started, it's so simple. It's just so simple. It's ridiculous. Okay, so here's these four different digital products that we sell: 100, 300, 600, and 900. Okay, these are digital products in the e-learning industry, which means it's education, information. Okay, it's a $1 billion a day industry. So this is what your website will look like. People also call this a sales page because this is where people go. And this page is doing the selling for you. Okay, so website, sales page. So you're going to put your own picture here, you put your own bio here. Everything's pretty much going to look just like this. I made a couple little tweaks. I put my own pictures here and there. That's about it. Here's me. This is the creator of the program. Her name is Michelle. She's a millionaire. She's made like over like around $7 million in 2.5 years since she started her digital marketing journey. And this is what this is. This is digital marketing. Digital marketing just means you're selling things online. Okay. You can create your own products and sell those, which we also teach you how to do, or you can sell other people's products, just like you can sell these products and earn 100% profit. So why wouldn't you want to earn 100% profit if you had a choice, right? Why wouldn't like 100% profit's better, obviously, okay? Every time someone purchases your product, you get paid instantly 100% profit through your automations, okay? Through your payment processor. See, here's like a checkout page right here, right? So people they purchase a product through PayPal or Stripe, and then you get paid instantly directly to you through your payment processor. You just gotta, so to get this business set up, you just gotta basically attach your payment processors, connect your domain to the sales funnel, and you're ready to go. Okay. So people can get started with also a payment plan as well. Like if you have a potential customer, there's also payment plans you can let them know. People can get started with the 100, the 300, or the 600, and then they have the resale rights to whichever product that they purchase. Okay. And as a bonus, they get this sales funnel for free. This is a free bonus. And then also they get access to our community. Okay. So let's say you want to get started with this business. So if you want to get started with this business, you just purchase one of the products. Like I said, 100, 300, 600, or the 900. If you purchase the 900, you get all of the products, which means you get all the information and you can resell all the products, okay? If you get like the 100, you can only sell the 100. So it's better to start at a high level, but if you start at a lower level, you can always upgrade later. You just got to pay the price difference, okay? So let's say you get started, right? Here's all these bonuses too. But let's say you get started. I'm just showing you what the website looks like. You can look at the website yourself. I'm not going to read through everything right now because that's just time consuming. You can read through it yourself. So basically, hold on. Okay, so let's say you get started with this business. You purchase one of the products, you pay $39 for your website, zero monthly fees. Then it's going to take you here. Okay, this is where you get to access all your products. Okay. So here's the products, right? There's a certification training that you can go through. This is going to show you the do's and the don'ts of how to promote this business and what is like digital marketing, what is attraction marketing, things like that. You're going to learn the basics that not a lot of people know. That's why most people, they don't have success online because they don't know how to market. Okay. And here's all your bonuses. Okay. You get access to your bonuses, 200 digital product ideas. We teach you how to do faceless marketing, different things like that. And then let's say, okay, you access your product, okay, your program. So you just go through, watch this, click here, get started. And one of the first things you got to do is you got to set up your website, right? So you just go into the website setup. You got to go to GoDaddy, get your own domain and professional email address. Okay, so we show you how to set this whole system up, how to connect your payment gateways. So you're setting up this. You're setting up these pages. These pages are what is like what's out there making you money. These pages are making you money. Okay. This is your freedom machine because it's giving you more time, it's giving you more money. So we call it the freedom machine because it gives you your life back. Okay. So you just basically go through all these videos and there's like 20 steps to set up your system. You set up your system one time and then it's out there working for you 24/7. So you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. So after you set up your business, you just want to go to this launch kit for an online business. It shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay, it's going to break down the 2 hour workday. The 2 hour workday means basically you got to get your business set up. And like once your business is set up, like I showed you earlier, you post 3 pieces of content a day and you can go live and you can post free ads. Okay, so 30 minutes posting 3 pieces of content, let's say an hour live. So that's your 2 hour workday. Okay, hour and a half. The rest of the time, you just respond to messages, you respond to emails, you go through some training inside of the program here or inside of the community or both. Okay. So after you finish the launch kit for your business, you can just go through the rest of the trainings. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about like marketing, discovery method, how to find and attract your perfect customer, master storytelling, building your brand, all of these kind of things, email marketing, everything like that. Everything you need to know to build a successful business or businesses, and everything you need to know to build multiple streams of income. Because we also teach you how to build multiple streams of income inside of your email list and also like inside of your email list, and also you can like promote different affiliate offers like on your social media pages too. So here's inside of our community, right? Once you get inside of our community, All you got to do is introduce yourself. And then if you have questions, you just go up here, write something, you type your questions in. Okay. We got 54,000 people in our community, right? Now let's go to the win section. Okay. Let's see if people are making money. Let's check it out. Yes, 8 minutes ago, she made $900, guys. Another ding while at the gym. She's at the gym and she made 900. Okay. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Imagine if you made $900 while you're at the gym. That's because our business is fully automated. Okay, these people are just following, they're just following our process, right? You just got to follow the process. Okay. 300 for her. She made 300. Melanie waking up to another $900 ding. What a blessing and how exciting to be in this space where we are helping to change lives. Another sale from a complete stranger. So very thankful. Make it a great day. First sale. Okay. $100 sale, 40 leads. So people post all kinds of stuff. First sale, came back from the river to 900, 900 for Stephanie. She was hanging out at the river. Look, she's hanging out at the river, having family fun day, and she made $900, guys. That's the power of this business. Okay. $900 while she was just hanging out with her family. Christy, $900 sale last night while doing the dishes before bed. Boom. Okay. 300, 100. So you can see 100 sale, $600 sale, because we can earn 100, 300, 600, and 900. That's why there's different, I've seen people have $5,000 days. I've seen people have $30,000, I mean, not 30,000, $20,000 days. Yeah, I've seen that's like the max that I've seen, 20K a day. Crazy, right? I've had $1,800 days myself. I've had many $900 days. So here's the training there's more training in our classroom too. So there's an abundance of training. There's no shortage of training. Plus we do live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners, right? So this shows you in the calendar when the live calls are, okay? And yeah, that's it. So that's basically it, right? And then once your business is set up, you just post content, like I said. We do attraction marketing. You post videos, you post content on social media. Most of us like to do videos, okay? So here's me on YouTube. I'm doing videos. Here's like I'll do long videos over 10 minutes. I'll do short videos. You see, you can check out my content. You can create content like me, or you can create content the way you want to create content, right? So what kind of customers do we attract, right? Like who is going to purchase these products? Who is going to purchase these products, right? Well, who can you market to? You can market to business owners who want to learn how to market their business, because a lot of people they don't know how to market their business. That's why they suck at business. Because you got to learn how to market. So business owners, that's one person that can buy this product. Okay, they want to learn how to do marketing. They want to learn how to build their online presence. Okay, the second kind of person that will purchase this product, it's the person that wants to learn how to create their own products and market them. Okay, so you can market to those people too. The third person that wants to purchase this product. It's just someone who wants to make money. Okay. I like to promote this to people that want to make money, but because I feel like that's like one of the most important things that you can do is help people make money, because people are so stressed out financially. There's like financial stress like destroys lives. So if you can help someone make money, you're doing a great thing. Okay. So you can promote like people they just want to make money. They just want to like resell the products and make money that way. And they want to learn how to build multiple streams of income, all that stuff. Okay. So you can promote to people that want to make money. And the wealth industry, it never goes out of style because people are always looking for ways to make money. And we teach people how to do it. And it's proven and it's effective. I showed you all the wins. I showed you all the people making money. Okay. So yeah. So if you just make sure to like this video, share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's struggling financially, and they want to learn how to, live a life of freedom, share this video with them, and then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get started, there's a link in my description. Just go there. I'm going to send you a free freedom formula blueprint. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. It's going to really break down how this process of digital marketing works. And there's 2 videos you can watch. Read the website. If you have any questions, reply to my emails. If you see an opportunity, just get started, because the faster you get started with this business, the faster you can start making money and becoming successful. Every day that you don't learn how to make money online, every single day you're costing yourself money. Okay. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps. I hope you can see a different perspective, a different way to make money besides the typical 9 to 5 job. Okay. I hope hope you just can see things a different way now. Okay. And yeah, let me know if you have any comments or questions, drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless.